How to enable floating notifications in incognito mode on Google Chrome. Welcome! Today, we're diving into a handy feature in Google Chrome that lets you enable floating notifications while using incognito mode. This feature helps you stay informed without compromising your privacy. Let's walk through the steps to set it up. Step 1. Open Google Chrome. Start by launching your Chrome browser. Locate the Chrome icon on your computer or mobile device, then click to open it. Once Chrome is running, you're ready for the next step. Step 2. Access the menu. In the top right corner of your Chrome window, you'll see 3 vertical dots. Click on these dots to open a drop-down menu with various options. Step 3. Navigate to Settings. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will take you to a page where you can personalize your Chrome experience. Step 4. Open Notification Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Notifications option. You may need to scroll down, but it's typically found under the Privacy and Security section. Click on Notifications to proceed. Step 5. Enter Incognito mode. Now, switch to Incognito mode. To do this, click the 3 dots again and select New Incognito window, or use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+N on Windows or Command+Shift+N on Mac. Incognito mode ensures your changes apply specifically to private browsing sessions. Step 6. Enable floating notifications. Once in incognito mode, return to your notification settings. Look for the option to toggle floating notifications and make sure it's turned on. This will allow you to receive pop-up alerts while browsing privately, keeping you updated without interrupting your workflow. Step 7. Save and close. If prompted, save your changes. You're all set. Now, when using incognito mode, floating notifications will keep you informed while maintaining your privacy. Conclusion. By following these simple steps, you can enhance your Google Chrome experience and enjoy seamless functionality while staying private. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips and tutorials to optimize your Chrome usage. See you next time.